Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 in the GT line specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front to rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 8,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.